In the beginning, the whole earth was one people, one voice, one tongue. And as they journeyed eastward, they found a plain in the land of Shinar. Then they said to one another, "Come, let us make bricks and burn them well. Let us build a city with a tower that reaches to the heavens. Let us make a name for ourselves, lest we be scattered abroad upon the face of the earth." But the Lord came down to see the city and the tower, which the sons of men built. And the Lord said, "Behold, the people are one, and they all speak one language. And this is only the beginning of what they will do. Now nothing will be restrained from them which they imagine to do." So the Lord said, "Come, let us go down, and there confuse their speech, that they may not understand one another's words." And suddenly their words were twisted. One spoke, another could not understand. Voices clashed, confusion spread like fire. Work stopped, fear rose, unity was broken, and so the tower was left unfinished. The place was called Babel, for there the Lord confused the language of all the earth, and from there he scattered them abroad upon the face of the world.